Hello students, today I am going to explain you what are kinds of adjectives. In the previous PVT, I have explained you what are adjectives. So students, a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names or to tell the number or quantity is called an adjective. In simple words, we can say adjectives are describing words. So students, adjectives may be divided into the following classes. For example, quantity, quality, number, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, etc. Now we will go through one by one. Adjectives of quality, or you can say descriptive adjective. What are these? They show the kind or quality of a person or thing. As Kolkata is a large city. He is an honest man. The foolish old crow tried to sing. This is a grammar of the English language. So, students, the underlined words are adjectives of quality. Pay attention in the last example, English language. So, adjectives formed from proper nouns like French wines, Turkish tobacco, Indian tea, etc. are sometimes called proper adjectives. They are generally classed with adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. Just pay students, you have to just keep in mind that adjectives of quality, they answer the question of what kind. Yes students, now adjectives of quantity. This shows how much of a thing is meant. For example, I ate some rice. He showed much patience. He has little intelligence. We have had enough exercise. He has lost all his wealth. You have no sense. He did not eat any rice. Take great care of your health. He claimed his half share of the booty. Booty, the meaning of this word is, students, the loot mal. There has not been sufficient rain this year. The whole sum was expended. So, the underlined words are the examples of adjectives of quantity. Why? Because they answer the question how much. Adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. It shows how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. For example, the hand has 5 fingers. Few cats like cold water. There are no pictures in this book. I have taught you many things. All men must die. Here are some ripe mangoes. Most boys like cricket. There are several mistakes in your exercise. Sunday is the first day of the week. So, students, you can just see the above underlined words are the example of adjectives of number as they answer the question how many. Now, pay attention students, adjectives of number is further divided into 3 kinds. Okay, adjectives of numbers, you can also call them as numeral adjectives, and they are divided into 3 kinds. Like number 1 is definite numeral adjectives, which denote an exact number as 1, 2, 3, etc. These are called cardinals. 1, 2, 3. When you are saying first, second, third, etc., these are called ordinals. Please pay attention students. Many times in competitive examination, this question is asked. What are cardinals and ordinals? Cardinal denotes how many and an ordinal the order of things in a series. It will be seen that ordinals really do the work of demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives means the things which point out something, okay, the words which point out, and you can just see that ordinals really do the work of demonstrative adjectives. The second kind of adjectives of number is indefinite numeral adjectives, which do not denote an exact number. For example, when we use the adjectives or the words like all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several, sundry. So, what are these, students? These are indefinite numeral adjectives. The third kind of adjectives of number is distributive numeral adjectives, which refer to each one of a number as each boy must take his turn, India expects every man to do his duty, every word of it is false, either pen will do, on either side is a narrow lane, neither accusation is true. So, what are these, students? The underlined words are distributive numeral adjectives. The same adjective may be classified as quantity or number according to its use. Just see the examples, that when it will become adjective of quantity and when it will become adjectives of number. And I have told you it will be based to its use. Now, the first example, adjective of quantity, I ate some rice. Here it is quantity. Some boys are clever. Here it becomes number. He has lost all his wealth. This is quantity. All men must die. Here all has become number. You have no sense. It is here quantity. There are no pictures in this book. No pictures. Here it is becoming the number. He did not eat any rice. This is quantity. Are there any mango trees in this garden? Here any has become number. I have enough sugar. This is quantity. There are not enough spoons. This is the number. So, students, according to its use, it becomes adjective of quantity or adjective of number. Now comes demonstrative adjectives, which point out which person or thing is meant. For example, this boy is stronger than Hari. That boy is industrious. These mangoes are sour. Those idiots must be punished. Yonder fort once belonged to Shivaji. Don't be in such a hurry. I hate such things. So, students, demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. It will be noticed that this and that are used with singular nouns and these and those with plural nouns. Just pay attention, this and that are used with singular nouns which are only one, and these and those with plural nouns more than one. The next one is interrogative adjectives. What, which and whose. When they are used with nouns, pay attention, when they are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives, as what manner of man he is, which way shall we go, whose book is this. So, here what, which and whose becomes interrogative adjectives. Why? Because they are used with a noun. What manner? Manner is a noun. Which way? Way is a noun. Whose book? Book is a noun. So pay attention, when these words are used with noun, they become interrogative adjectives. It will be seen that what is used in a general sense and which in a selective sense. Next comes emphasizing adjectives. In the following sentences, the words own and very are used as emphasizing adjectives. For example, I saw it with my own eyes. He was beaten at his own game. Mind your own business. He is his own master. That is the very thing we want. When all's left my cause, my very adversary took my part. So here, own and very. What are these? These are emphasizing adjectives. Next comes exclamatory adjectives. The word what is sometimes used as an exclamatory adjective as what genius, what folly, what an idea, what a blessing, what a piece of work is man. What are these here? How the word used, what is, it is used as exclamatory adjective. As already pointed out, this and that are the only adjectives, means demonstrative adjectives which are inflected, or you can say the meaning for the word inflected is changed in form to show number. Like this girl sings, these girls sing. Here this girl means singular noun, these girls means plural nouns. That boy plays, those boys plays. This and these indicate something near to the speaker, which are near to the speaker. At that time we use this and these. This for singular and these for plural. That and those indicate more distant objects to the speaker. That is used for singulars and those for plurals. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood kinds of adjectives. Keep practicing and solve the exercises. Thank you once again for patience, listening and understanding the given PPT based on adjectives.